Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dilute chlorine in water. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always protect yourself by wearing gloves and eye protection. Ensure your work area is well ventilated to prevent inhaling fumes. Remember, never mix chlorine with other cleaners, especially ammonia, as this can create dangerous gases. Always use cold water for dilution, as hot water can reduce chlorine's effectiveness. Understanding dilution ratios is crucial for effective and safe use. Most household bleach contains about 5 to 6% sodium hypochlorite. For general sanitizing, a solution of 100 parts per million is often recommended. This can be achieved by mixing 1 part bleach with 99 parts water. For more robust disinfection, a stronger solution, such as 1 part bleach to 9 parts water, is typically effective against many germs. Now, let's walk through the simple steps for diluting chlorine. First, measure the correct amount of cold water into a clean, non-metallic container. Next, carefully add the measured amount of chlorine bleach to the water. Always add bleach to water, not the other way around, to minimize splashing. Gently stir the solution with a non-metallic utensil to ensure it is thoroughly mixed. Finally, label your container clearly with the solution's contents and the date it was prepared. Proper storage and disposal are essential for safety and effectiveness. Store your diluted chlorine solutions in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, which can degrade the chlorine. Always keep these solutions securely out of reach of children and pets. For disposal, simply pour any unused solution down a drain, flushing with plenty of water. Remember, chlorine solutions lose potency over time, so it's best to prepare fresh solutions daily for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.